Recording, and we'll get started. So here we're doing lesson 36. I can break apart 10 using 5 groups drawings, and I can write a subtraction equation to match it. It's just like what we did Friday, except we're using 10. So here's a picture of a Reckon Rec. And it says counting by ones to 30 with the Reckon Rec. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how many? Let's count on from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now how many? Let's count on from 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, if I got rid of a whole row and I had 30, how many's in this? We could just count by tens to see. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent job, friends. Let's pull out our handy dandy math book.
Miss Hicks,
Yes.
I lose 2 teeth.
Oh, good job, Carolyn. All right,
Yeah.
we're going to open our
I
math
lose
book
2 teeth.
to
Miss
page,
Hicks, what module is it?
it's module 4, page 157. That's going to be towards the back of your book. Okay. Now, we're going to take a look at our story. We're going to read the whole story and then part of the story. So in this story, we're talking about a brother and sister building with blocks. If you have your linking cubes, you can use your linking cubes. I would get all 10 of them. If you do not have your linking cubes and you want to draw on your paper, you can do that as well. So you can use your cubes or you can draw. That's up to you. All right, let's read the whole story. Yes?
I was finding my notebook and my pencil. So can I flip to the page now?
Yeah, it's on page 157. It's going to be towards the back. Okay. Martin had 10 building blocks. Pretend your linking cubes are his blocks. Count to make sure there are 10. He shared 4 blocks with his sister. Move 4 blocks to show the ones he shared. How many blocks did he still have? Wow, that's a lot. Let's start with just the first sentence. Martin had 10 building blocks. So if you have your linking cubes, I would show 10. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a rectangle. And remember, when you're wanting to show a number, draw one less many lines. So if I need to show 10, 1 less than 10 is 9. So I'm going to put 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 cubes. Pretend your linking cubes are his blocks. Count to make sure there's 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He shared 4 blocks with his sister. So I can use a different colored marker and show where I cut my 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to cut my 4 blocks right here. Those he shared with his sister. How many blocks does he still have? Show me with your fingers. How many blocks does he still have? Not 5. How many blocks does he still have? I see a lot of friends showing me 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks. Can we make a number bond about our story? Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to draw my number bond this way. But you can draw your number bond a different way if you choose. Who can help me with the number bond? What are we going to put in the hole? Raise your hands. What are we going to put in the hole? DJ?
10.
Awesome, DJ. Our hole is 10. We have 10 blocks all together. What are our 2 parts? Can someone tell me that? What are the 2 parts? Are we?
4 and 6.
Awesome. 4 and 6. Oops, that's not a very good 6. Now, how can I show the blocks that he gave to his sister? What can I do on my number bond to show that he gave those blocks away? Nicole?
We can X it out.
We can cross it out to show that he gave the 4 blocks to his sister. Awesome, we did it. Now, I want to make a number sentence. What type of number sentence do I need to make? Addition or subtraction? Jonyan, what type of number sentence do I need to make? No. Is it going to be addition? Wait a minute, Jonyan. Is it going to be addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Yes. Good. Okay. Thank you, Jonyan. You can mute your mic. We'll put our mystery blocks and make a subtraction sentence. Mystery box minus mystery box equals mystery box. Now I need to fill in my boxes. Remember, when we subtract, our whole goes first. Then the part that we take away and the part that is left. Who would like to read the number sentence to me? Carolyn?
The number sentence is 10 minus 4 equals 6.
Carolyn, that's wonderful. 10 minus 4 equals 6. My whole goes first, then the part that I took away, and then our total, which is how many are left, 6. Excellent job, boys and girls. All right. You may move your book to the side if you're done, and your cubes. I have a feeling your materials are going to be a whiteboard and a dry erase marker and possibly those cubes. So I would leave your cubes out. All right. Let's take a look. At Miss Emily.
Miss Kate.
Hold on 1 second.
Hi, Mom.
Yes.
I'm gonna draw because I can't find my Lincoln cubes again.
Okay, that's okay. All right. Let's listen.
Physicians, I'm Mrs. Chandrasekhar. For today's lesson, we'll be taking apart 10 with 5 group drawings. Let's get started. For the lesson, you'll need your subtraction equation template. Place your subtraction equation template.
Okay, it's okay if you don't have that. I have mine right here, but if you don't have it, that's okay. You can always draw it out.
Inside of your whiteboard if you haven't already. Pause the video to gather your materials and press play once you have them. Let's listen to a story. Close your eyes and try to picture the story in your head. Are your eyes closed? Okay. Melanie had 10 peaches. 4 of her peaches were not yet ripe. How many peaches were ready to eat? Open your eyes. Wow, friends, that's a lot of information. To help us solve, let's read each chunk of the story and draw. Let's do it all together. Ready? Melanie had 10 peaches. How could we draw this? Lean into the computer or the screen that you're using.
Okay, raise your hand. How would you draw Melanie had 10 peaches? I've heard from Carolyn. Estelle, how would you draw this?
Circle.
Okay, how would you draw the circles, Estelle?
5 group way.
Yes, I love it. The 5 group way. I wonder if Miss Emily's going to do the same. Let's see.
And whisper how we could draw. I heard you whispering that we could draw Melanie's 10 peaches in 5 group rows, with 5 peaches on one row and 5 peaches on the bottom row. And we can draw the peaches just like circles. Ready? Let's get our marker and draw. 1 peach, 2 peaches, 3 peaches, 4, 5 peaches on the top row, half down below, 6 peaches, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are Melanie's 10 peaches. Let's read the next chunk. 4 of her peaches were not yet ripe. Well, we learned that 4 of these 10 peaches are not ready to eat. But how could we show this? If you have an idea, lean in and whisper. How we
Okay.
can show.
So, how do we show that 4 of her peaches were not yet ripe? We know what ripe means from our listening and learning unit when we learned about farming and crops. Ripe means ready to pick. So, some are not quite ready to be picked. How are we going to show that? Let's see. Carolyn, how can we show that 4 of the peaches are not ready to be picked?
You can cross out 4 of the peach.
Okay, so Carolyn says we could cross out 4 peaches. That's great. You could also maybe circle 4 peaches to show that those are the ones we're not going to choose. Let's see what Miss Emily decides to do.
Oh, the 4 peaches. Great idea, friends. I heard you whispering that we could circle and then cross out the 4 peaches just like we did before. So let's get our marker and first count our 4 peaches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle the 4 peaches and then cross them out.
She did
These
both.
are the 4 peaches that I circled and crossed out, but you could circle and cross out a different group of 4, as long as...
Is it okay that she did both? She circled and crossed them out? Yeah. What if you just crossed them out? Would that be okay? Yeah, it would. What if you just chose to circle them? That would be okay too, just so long as you knew that 4 peaches were not ready.
As it's 4. Let's read our final chunk. How many peaches were ready to eat? Well, friends, what do you think? How many peaches are ready to eat? If you know, show me with your fingers.
Okay, let's show her with our fingers. How many peaches are ready to eat? Ooh, I like how Nicole showed it the 5 group way. That was cool. She did like this. But you could also do this. Okay, let's see if we're right.
That's right, friends. There are 6 peaches ready to eat. Let's make a number bond about the story. What is our whole?
Ooh, what's the hole? Show it.
Think.
Show it. What's the hole? Show me with your fingers. I don't see everyone's fingers. I see Carolyn. I see Ryan. I need to see everybody show me. Okay, let's look.
Say it. Yes. 10 is our whole. Now, what are our 2 parts?
Okay,
Think.
so tell me one part by raising your hand. Smriti, tell me one of my parts.
6.
6. Thank you, Smriti. Who can tell me the other part? Smriti said 6, so the other part is, are we?
4.
4. Excellent. 6 and 4. Let's see if we're right.
Say it. Yes, our 2 parts are 6 and 4. 10, 6, 4. Whole, part. Let's do it all together just like that. Arms up, go. 10, 6, 4. Great work. Now that we've done the number bond with our arms, let's draw it. Pause the video and draw the number bond, making sure to put in the whole and the 2 parts.
Okay. Draw your number bond on your whiteboard any way you choose. When you're finished, hold it up to the screen so I can take a peek. Remember, I'm watching. Good job, Brian. Oh, I like it, Russell. Thank you.
Miss Kate.
Ooh, good, Nicole. Yes, are we? Good job, Carolyn.
My marker's not working, and I can't find a paper or my pencil, so I couldn't write it.
Aw, maybe do you have a crayon?
Yeah.
Try it with a crayon on some paper. Like you can, there's some blank pages in your book, for example. On the back of our problem set, there's a blank page, so you can draw on this page as well. Okay.
I found this.
Oh, good. Thank you, friends. All right, let's listen and see if our number bonds look like Miss Emily's.
Great job. This is how I drew my number bond, but you could have drawn it a different way with a different orientation. As long as our whole is 10 and our 2 parts are 6 and 4. Now, use your number bond to help you draw subtraction sentence to tell about our story. Starting with the whole of 10 and taking away his peaches, the part that isn't right. Pause the video and fill in the template with the subtraction sentence.
Okay, so go ahead and fill in your subtraction sentence now and hold it up. Good job, DJ. Good, Carolyn and Nicole. I like that. Yes, Smriti. Johnian, good. Russell, I like it. Ryan, very good. Estelle, fantastic.
Miss Kate, can I tell you something after class?
Yes. All right, let's see if ours matches Miss Emily's.
Great job. 10 peaches. Take away the 4 that aren't right means there are 6 left. 10 take away 4 is the same as 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Let's say it like that all together. Ready? Go.
10 minus 4 equals 6. Okay, now before we move on, I want to ask this question. Can we switch any of these numbers? No, not in a subtraction sentence, because we need to know how many are taken away. So unless the story changes, we can't change our numbers. It's different from an addition sentence. So we can't switch the parts around. I noticed that when I was grading some papers last week, so I just wanted to mention it. Okay, let's, yes?
I was mixed up. I was mixed up, so I put the 6 on the minus sign and then the 4 on the equal sign because I was mixed up.
Yep, that's why we can't do that. We need to make sure we keep 10 minus however many we took away, which is 4 equals 6. All right, let's listen.
Great job, friends. Let's erase our boards and get ready for another story.
Erase, erase, erase. Erase your board nice and clean. I'm gonna pause the video so you can do it. I'm gonna count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5, 1. Your board should be nice and clean.
If you can, read the story with me. Ready? Go. Chris had 10 toy cars. 2 of the cars had no wheels. How many cars did have wheels? Before we solve, let's read and draw each chunk of the story. Ready? Chris had 10 toy cars. How should we draw this? Whisper to the screen how you think we should draw this.
Okay, how can we draw the 10 toy cars? Nicole?
We can draw a circle or rectangle or wheels.
Very good. Right, we could draw the items using circles or any shape. Now, what way are you going to draw them?
In the 5 group way?
Yes, excellent. Ooh, I like Adeline did this. That's kind of cool. She made, it wouldn't take you long, so she did a square with like 2 dots, so it looked like a car. But that's up to you. All right, go ahead and draw your 10 toy cars.
I heard you whispering that we should draw the 10 toys in 5 group rows just like we did before. And since this is math class, we'll just draw with circles. Pause the video and draw 10 circles in 5 group rows with 5 circles on the top row and 5 circles on the bottom row.
Ooh, I like it. Good job, Estelle. Go ahead and draw your
Let's
cars.
read and draw the next chunk. Ready? 2 of the cars had no wheels. Let's show this in our drawing by crossing off the cars with no wheels. So let's...
Okay, so you've got your 10 cars drawn. Now we're gonna cross them off with no wheels.
take our marker and count out 2 with no wheels. 1, 2, and cross them out. These are the 2 that I crossed out, but you could cross out a different 2, just as long as it's 2 cars. Let's read the next chunk. Ready? How many cars did have wheels? How many cars had wheels? Point to the part of your drawing that shows the cars with wheels.
Okay. Once you've done that, show me on your fingers. How many cars did have wheels? Good job. Did you have a question, are we? No? Okay. Maybe it's still paused. Sorry.
Great job. Let's use our drawing to help us find the whole and the parts. Take your finger and trace a circle around the hole in the picture.
Go ahead and do that.
Yes, this is the whole amount of cars that Chris has. Now, take your finger and trace a circle around a part in the drawing. And then trace a circle around the other part in the drawing. Now you use the circles that you just traced to help you draw your number bond with the whole and the two parts. Whole, part, part. Pause the video to draw your number bonds.
Okay, hold them up when you're done. Good job, DJ. Excellent, Ryan. Adeline, I can't quite see yours. Can you fill in the number bond so that I can see the numbers? Good job, Estelle. Good job, Smriti. Excellent, Russell. Good job, Nicole. Good job, Arwie. Smriti, I see that, good. And Carolyn, excellent. All right, let's see what Miss Emily chose to do.
We represented our story with a picture, number bond, and guess what? We'll now show our story with the number sentence. I wonder if you could write a subtraction sentence all on your own. What do you think? Can you do it? Let's see.
We've been doing
Use
it.
the number bond with the whole and the two parts to help you write your subtraction sentence. Pause the video and use your template to write a subtraction sentence about the story.
Okay, once you're done, hold it up. Good job, Nicole. That is good. Remember, you can't switch your parts around. Excellent, Estelle. Fantabulous, DJ. Alan, I need you participating, please. Good job, Carolyn. Get that out of your mouth, Alan. That's not safe. Don't just turn your camera off. I need you to participate. Good job, Arwie. Excellent, Russell. Great job, Jonyan. Estelle, can I see you? I mean, not Estelle. Adeline, can I see yours? Sorry, Estelle.
Miss Kate,
Good job.
I have to draw it fast, please.
Okay. Just write the number sentence for me. You can look up here at the picture that's already here. Good job, Smriti. Thank you. Okay. Excellent. Very good, Adeline. Now make a number sentence, sweet girl. Make the number sentence. Let's see what Miss Emily did.
Does your subtraction sentence look like mine? Pause the video if you need to fix it. Let's read our number sentence all together using our math language of minus and equals. Ready? Go. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Great job, friends. Today in our lesson, we wrote 2 number sentences in blanks in our templates. Think. How did you know which number belongs in the first blank in your number sentence? How did you know?
Okay, so how do we know where the numbers fall in the number sentence? How do we know to put the 10 there on both stories? How did we know that? Estelle?
Because the minus sign is where the whole goes, and the parts go between the plus sign.
Okay, so we know in a subtraction sentence, our whole goes in front of the minus sign. Excellent.
Did the number bond help you? Did your picture help you? Or did you just know?
That's a good part.
Pause the video and tell someone in the room how you knew.
So the number bond did help us because we understand that a number bond has the whole and two parts. So the number bond is what helps us figure this out. And the picture helps us to fill out the number bond.
If no one's in the room, that's okay. Just call me on your imaginary telephone and I'll pick up.
Okay, we're gonna skip ahead. Here it goes.
Well, friends, it's now time to...
Okay, now we are ready for our problem set. So go ahead and clear off your whiteboard. Please make sure those lids are nice and tight on your dry erase markers and your whiteboard is all clean and pretty. We're gonna put those materials away and we're gonna pull back out our math books and open it to page 159, and I'm gonna write that on the board. Page 159 and 160. When you have those materials ready, meaning everything's put away, your math book's open to the right page, and you have a writing utensil, a pencil, give me a double thumbs up to let me know you're ready to begin. Thank you. Good job, friends. I'm seeing lots of thumbs up. I'm seeing some friends flip pages, and that is okay as well. Okay. All right, we'll begin here. Our story says, fill in the number bond and number sentence. Cross off the part that goes away in the picture. Stan had 10 blueberries. He ate 5 blueberries. How many blueberries are left? Let's take it one sentence at a time. Stan had 10 blueberries. Do we have a picture that shows that Stan had 10 blueberries? Thumbs up if we do, thumbs down if we don't. Yes, we do. He ate 5 blueberries. What can I do to show that he ate 5 of the blueberries? Russell?
Cross out the 5 words.
All right, Russell. I'm going to do that. I'm going to cross out the bottom 5, but you could cross out a different one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, am I ready to fill in my number bond in my number sentence? Yes. Go ahead and do that now. Then when you're done, raise your hand, and I'm going to call on some friends to help me with the number bond and the number sentence. I love how hard my friends are working I see focus and concentration. Good job, DJ. All right. Nicole, please help me fill in my number sentence. I mean, not my number sentence, I'm sorry. My number bond. What am I going to put in my hole?
10.
Good. My hole is 10. What am I going to put in my 2 parts, Nicole?
5 and 5.
Oh my goodness, 5 and 5. Well, how do I know which part I took away? What can I do?
Cross it out.
I'm going to put a line through one of the 5s. Now, would someone like to read their number sentence to me? Raise your hand if you would like to do that. Are we? Read your number sentence to me.
10 minus 5 equals 5.
Excellent. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Now, if we look here at the bottom, Miss Cates is going to read the entire story problem, but you all are going to do it by yourself. Then I'm going to call on you when you're finished. Tracy had 10 heart stickers. She lost 1 sticker. How many stickers are left? Tracy had 10 heart stickers. She lost 1 sticker. How many stickers are left? When you're finished, raise your hand. It's not a race, remember that. I don't call on the first one. I wait until most of my friends are finished. Once again, lots of wonderful focus and concentration. Ooh. Adeline, can you help me with my number bond, please? What am I going to put in the hole?
10.
10 in the hole. Oh, wait. But before I do my number bond, I missed a step. What do I need to do with my picture, Adeline?
You have to cross out 1.
Cross out 1 sticker. Now, Adeline, can you tell me my 2 parts?
Your 2 parts are 9 and 1.
9 and 1. How do I show the sticker that I crossed off, Adeline?
You cross out the 1.
Excellent. Wow, thank you, Adeline. Now, let's see if another friend can help me by reading your number sentence. Carolyn, will you please read your number sentence to me?
My number sentence is 10 minus 1 equals 9.
Excellent. Okay, now let's turn our paper to the back. We're going to take a look at this top story problem and do this together. Make a 5-group drawing to show the story. Fill in the number bond and number sentence. Cross off the part that goes away. Nick had 10 party hats. 7 hats were thrown away. How many hats does Nick have now? Okay, we're going to take this one section at a time. Nick had 10 party hats. How many party hats should I draw? 10. I'm going to draw my party hats this way, and I like drawing the 5 group way. Okay, 7 hats were thrown away. So I need to show that 7 hats were thrown away. Anya, how do I show that 7 hats were thrown away?
Cross 7 out.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I chose these 7 to cross out, but you could choose a different 7. Now we're ready to fill in our number bond and number sentence. Once you've done that, raise your hand and I'll call on you to help me. I want to try to call on some different friends. Are we? Can you help me fill in my number bonds? What goes in the hole?
10.
10. Because that's how many I had all together. Now, what are my 2 parts?
3 and 7.
3 and 7. What's the part that I need to show that went away? 3 or 7?
7.
Yes. Now, I want to call in a friend. Jonyan, read your number sentence to me. Jonyan.
10 minus 7 equals 3.
10 minus 7 that went away equals 3. Okay, now this last one you're gonna do on your own. Miss Cates is not gonna stay on with you today because I need to get out front to pass out materials, but I will read you the number sentence. Our number sentence, or our number story says, Tatiana had 10 juice boxes. 3 juice boxes broke and spilled. How many full juice boxes does she have left? You're going to fill in the number bond and number sentence. Then down at the bottom, you can use your fingers or drawings to help solve these problems. I would use my fingers because it's quicker. All right, so Tatiana had 10 juice boxes. 3 juice boxes broke and spilled. How many full juice boxes does she have left? I'm going to silently sign off. Anya, I know you wanted to share something with me. Can you share it at 12:30? Can you come on then and share it to me?
What I wanted to do is just tell you something.
Okay. Tell it to me at 12:30, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. Jonyan, what's your question?
I actually want to show you something.
You can show me at 12:30, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Estelle. Bye.